Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the cutout stickers of your Instagram posts. So what you need to do in here, you can create the cutout stickers from your Instagram post first. So you can find the Instagram post, you can go to your profile and select the photos from there, and you can do screenshot, or if you still have that photo on your gallery, you can just upload it into Instagram. So you can start by clicking on your story, and you need to create a story first, or a reels, to be able to create a cutout sticker. For example, I'm going to just select this photo as the background, click on the sticker icon at the top, and here this is my current stickers, and to create a new one you can just click on cutouts, then select the photos. Okay, for example, I'm going to just select from here. Okay, this one for example. Now Instagram will creating the sticker. Click on the use sticker button, and this is the stickers. So let's say this is my Instagram post that I created as a sticker before. So if you want to find it again, you can just click on the sticker icon again at the top, and this is the carrot sticker that I just created. It will be automatically saved on your Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.